Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to make a counter in JavaScript, right? So for that we'll first make a folder and name it as count.js. And now open your Visual Studio Code or the folder that you like. Go to File, open Folder, and click on the count.js. Let it load. Okay. And we create a new file first. Name it as index.html. Now to ready is same boring and right here is count.js. Now in the body tag we'll have some elements. For example, first we can open it with the live server. If you don't have the live server, please download it from the extensions tab. Now in this we must write something. We want a counter in the middle. Okay, so what we are going to do h1. Okay, some small mistakes happened by this, and what we have to put in there is an h1. Yeah, in that it has this, right? So okay, now what we have to do, as we have set it as 0, and we also need a button called as count button count class median and h1 class. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till it dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wasted too much, but that's all
and
it
save it as
was. So I gave it up.
count.js.
I live my day as if it was the last.
Now
Live my
in this
day as
folder,
if there
don't
was no
forget,
past.
as I forgot
Doing
in the
it
last
all night
video,
all summer. Doing it the way I
not
wanna.
linking.
Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till it dawn, but I
Again, I did
won't
another
be done
mistake.
when morning comes. Doing it all night all summer.
I have a
Gonna spend
these
it like no
mistakes.
other.
Script songs.
It was a crush.
So
I
now
kept saying I'ma
we have
stay
to
in
do
touch,
like this.
but that thing
Save
went
it as
bust,
put it
so
as
I gave it up.
count.js. Okay,
No tricks, no
and
bluff.
now we go
I'm
to
just
count,
better off without the
and
cuffs. Yeah,
okay,
the
so we
sun
can do
won't
it like
set
this.
on us.
So now in JavaScript file we can write it as let count equals to 0, and that is the count we can see over here. And now we create a function. Okay, so first we have to add an event listener. We'll name it as document dot query selector and dot btn and event listener and click and with that we have a function, and is a function and over here we don't have anything, and we open this and we write here count equals to count plus equals to 1, so that we can add 1, okay, in every round. So now as we do it, now we are select that h1 element. So document dot query selector and h1 dot text content equals to count. Okay, now let's check it. Not working. Okay. There you go. You see? How is that? Amazing, right? And as we will add another button named as reset. So again another button. Reset. Right? Now we give it a class of btn. No, we give it a class of rst reset. Right? Now we could count and okay, here we go. So now for the reset button, we can do it like this, like this. First, we'll add the same thing. No, we won't do that. Right? So now we have to write the same thing. Sorry, just joking. That query selector, and now we open the selector dot rst dot add event listener CLI. Okay, click. Then what will happen? Yeah, click and function for this too. And also in this we'll make count equals to 0. Reset it. I mean there's an error in it. Oh yeah, sorry, I added bracket. So now again I close this. There you go. Count equals to 0, and we'll select the same thing, so we don't need to again write the same thing. Just copy it and paste. There you go. Okay, so as we do it, now let's take it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and when you press reset, it goes back to 0. So see you all again in the next video. Bye. Sorry for the inconvenience with this noise. These are my troubling people who are next door. Okay, bye bye. See you all later in my next video.